using the Mode feature on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using the ThinQ app, you can use the Mode feature. By using modes, you can turn your products on or off and have them perform certain functions at a time of your choosing. Let's find out how to use modes. Setting modes. Tap the top left menu icon on the home screen and enter the Routines menu. Select the mode you want from the list. Select the product you want the mode to be applied to. Tap the pencil-shaped icon to perform certain functions. Select Save. Then tap Start. And the mode will be applied. Using modes. Vacation mode. If you are on vacation, leave the appliance management to ThinQ. Turn on the vacation mode, and you can power off all the appliances that are connected to the app. If your product supports Smart Care, you can also make sure the grocery in your refrigerator stays fresh. Sleep mode. Optimize your sleeping conditions. Turn on sleep mode. And you can set the air conditioner and the air purifier to power off when you fall asleep. You can also power the dehumidifier off to optimize the humidity level even when you are asleep. Away mode. Forgot to turn off a product when you have already left home? Worry no more. Turn on the Away mode. And you can turn the products off whenever you want, even when you are not home. You can also start cleaning the house with the robot cleaner to keep it clean.